Alright, this is going to be a video of the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds ceiling fan in my office. This is just like the one that's in my bedroom, except this one has the original Harbor Breeze chains on it, and the other finish of the blades facing downwards. This one has a balancing kit that I added to it as well on one of these blades. I'm not sure which one it was. Oh wait, it's this one. I don't know if you can see it, but I added it on there and it performs a lot better. So that's it for that one. And this one's just like the one that's in my grandpa's room, so I won't film his because it's exactly like this one. Now this one has a different remote control that we put on it because the original one that we had on there fried. This is a Honeywell one that came from Lowe's, just like the fan did. I'll turn this one on. So here's the light. And you can do a whole bunch of stuff with this one. Like it has the light, it has dimmer too. I won't demonstrate that because it's kind of a pain to get it back to full brightness. It has something called a home shield, which I'll just hold that in. And it basically simulates occupancy by turning the light on and off, which I think is a kind of cool feature. And then it has a walk away light delay, which you can just put this on and it shuts off after 2 to 3 minutes, I think, or 4 or 5, I can't remember. But it shuts off after a certain amount of minutes, so yeah. But enough talking about the light, let's go ahead and turn the fan on. We'll start off on low. My only complaint about this remote is it has a very fast low speed. I would have preferred the low speed to be a little bit slower, but it's okay, I guess. I just think it goes a little too fast. But it does push good air. Okay. Now put it to medium speed. Alright, and here's high. It does shake a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's very little. Alright. I'll put on the light. Sometimes the light bulbs go on and off. I think one of them's burnt out, but one of them goes on and off. Yep. So that is the Harbor Breeze Crosswinds in my office. Thank you for watching.